Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use QuickBooks for property management. So the very first thing you should do here is you just have to create your QuickBooks account. So just open any of your web browser, and then it's in the search bar at the top. You just have to search for QuickBooks. Okay, and then you'll be redirected to this website. Here, you just have to click on this Try QuickBooks, and you'll be directed to this section where you can see the different plans that you can subscribe to. So here, just have to select the plan. Okay, so currently we are subscribed to a plus plan. So I'm just going to sign in. Okay, so after creating your account and subscribing to a plan, you'll be able to sign in to your account. So the first thing that we should do is to set up each property as a class or customer. So you can track income and expense per property by using the classes. So you just have to go to the settings or click on this gear icon at the top right of your screen, and then go to the account and settings. Okay, this one, and then you just have to click on advance, and we have to turn on classes. So just go to the categories, and you'd be able to see here now the track classes. Okay, so this one, so we have track classes and track locations. So just click on this pencil icon. Okay, that's right. Then make sure to toggle the switch on for this one. And then if you would like to be warned when a transaction is not assigned a class, you just have to check this one right here. Then after that, do not forget to save your changes and click on done. Okay, then the next thing that we should do is to create income account. So we can set up income categories like rent income, late fees, parking fees, utility reimbursement, or etc. So here, to create an income accounts, what you're going to do is just go to the gear icon again and click on the chart of accounts. Okay, this one. And then you just have to create new. So just click on new. And when you select new, make sure you select the income as the account type. So here you just have to give this account a name. Okay, so maybe I'm just going to type out right here, rent income. That's right. And then for the account type, make sure to select income or rent income. Okay, so let me just change the name, and then after that, click on save. Okay, so that's how you can create an income account. Now the next thing that we are going to do is to record tenants as customers. So you just have to create a new customer for each tenant so you can invoice them or track payments easily. Just go here to the customer and leads, and you're just going to create a new customer. So keep track of who needs to pay you. Here, just import your customer's contacts or add your customer manually. So when you click on add customer, just have to input their name and contact. So for the title, you just have to put here a title, for example, payment, and then their first name. And then after that, their middle name, last name, and their suffix if they have it. Okay, so next is their middle name. That's right, and then the last name. And then the customer display name, you can be able to see that right here. And then for the company name. Okay, so you just have to input the company name. Then make sure that all of the information that you are going to put here are correct. Okay, as well as their email address, their mobile number, their fax, the other, and then if they have a website, you can also put their website in this field. Okay, and then typing out here your phone number, make sure that the contact details is correct as well. So just going to copy this one. Okay, now when you scroll down, you'll be able to see here the addresses. So for the billing address, you just have to input here all of the important details. Then if you have notes and attachments, you can also put that right here. And then of course the payment, and then we have the additional information. After that, just click on save. And there you have it. You have successfully created your new customer. Okay, Now that you are done creating your customer, what we're going to do next is to invoice and receive rent payments. So to do that, we just have to create recurring invoices for monthly rent and accept payments by recording them against the invoice and track unpaid rent using AR or accounts receivable reports. Okay, so here just going to name this one as payment by this customer. Okay, and then their email address. Okay, so you just have to input here all of the details. And then of course, do not forget the amount received. Okay, so for the payment method, we are going to choose credit card. Okay, that's right. So we have here now the amount received section. So you just have to input here the amount. Then after that, you'd be able to see here now the total, and then just have to save it and close it. So as you can see right here, we have successfully added an invoice. Now the next thing that we are going to do is to track expenses per property. So we can create expense categories like maintenance, repairs, landscaping, property taxes, zone logging expenses, assign them to the correct class or property. So just go here, and then below the suppliers, we have the expenses. So what you're going to do here is you just have to input who did you pay. Okay, so you just have to click that contact and then the payment account. That's right. And then we have the payment date, the payment method, and then the reference number. Okay, so here we have the payment account. So just going to add a new one. So for the maintenance, just going to select account type for cash and cash equivalents, and then just have to input the other details right here. After that, you just have to click on save. Okay, now the last thing that we are going to do is to run reports. So in order for you to run a report, you just have to go here at the left side of your screen. Okay, so right here, you'll be able to see the reports section right below the customers and leads. So click on the reports, and right here you'd be able to see here now the profit and loss. So for example, this one, so just simply click on this one. Okay, and then just have to wait for a couple of seconds. You'd be able to see here now the reports for the profit and loss as of January 1 to July 21, 2025. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.